Hey guys, good morning. I hope you are having you had a great weekend. I had a wonderful weekend. It was nice. Um, so I know we're headed into day 18 of learning from home, and I miss you guys so much, and I miss the norm. This is different, definitely a different new norm, but I know we can do this, and I'm here. Your grades are in your grade book. I have last week's to put in, but I haven't put those in. But I will. But progress reports are coming out soon, but they won't be mailed. They'll just your parents will just access them via Google, not Google, Infinite Campus. So I will put up the 15th and the 16th grades in there today. Um, anyway, so today's assignment will be, of course, here's our good morning announcements. And our Google Meet today is from 10:30 to 11:30 and then 1:30 to 2:30 if you need me. I would like to plan a Google Meet where throughout the day I speak to everybody. Like I schedule a time with you and you have to get on and we talk either via phone or Google Meet. Um, and I ask you a couple of questions, but that's coming at a later date. So your assignment today will be right here under week 5. It's 420. Okay. And then it's a Google assignment where you can, you have a copy for each one for yourself. So this is just a review. Can you answer these questions without, and over to the right, you can answer these questions without the video if you can. And the video is there if you need it. And if there's questions, you can just kind of scroll through and fast forward through and get the answers. Anyway, or if you need help with that, the video will help you. Okay, answer those questions in the text box, and then go over here and it says which function has a greater rate of change. And you've got hints for 1, 2, and 3. And number 1, number 2, number 3, you've got a table, a word problem, and an equation. Sorry, a graph, a word problem, and equation. Put them all into y equals mx plus b. In whatever color, you just click and drag the whole box over. Whichever color is the correct color, you just drag it to this box right here, to that box. So you'll just drag the box up, whichever one's correct, and answer, put in y equals mx plus b in each one of these for the color that matches. And then you're done. If you have questions, I'll be on Google Meet twice, but you can send me questions, you know that. If you're concerned about a grade, get on Google Meet. If there's something you want to redo, send me a message or get on and talk to me about it. And we'll have a great day. And I will hopefully be talking to all of you really soon because we'll have some kind of phone conference or video conference with each one of you, hopefully. I love you. Have a wonderful day.